Houston, we have a problem.
I know. I have searched everywhere for Lindsay and Carrie, and I can't find them anywhere. Do you think they snuck onto that space rocket?
With those two, anything is possible.
Hey.
Well, you guessed it. We tried to get onto the rocket.
But who knew you had to have special training to go into outer space?
That's right. Astronauts have to study up to 2 years to be qualified to be an astronaut.
She's right. 2 years of astronaut school is required.
We have a lot of learning to do then.
Absolutely. And we can start by making an ABC spacebook by writing things related to space for each letter of the alphabet, like A for astronaut or B for Big Dipper.
You can even see how many stars you can count in the night sky.
Well, we're going to go because we've got a lot of work to do.
Yes, and you should have fun working on space stuff too.
When you are blasting off into outer space, you will be writing the number 10 and telling how numbers and letters are different. You'll be reading all about poetry and stories this week. You need to know how poems and stories are alike and different. One thing to remember about poetry is that it's written in stanzas, and stanzas often end in rhyming words. I have a poem for you all about the sun. Are you ready? I want you to listen for rhyming words. Here we go. The sun. The sun is big and round. It looks like a yellow mound. The sun shines big and bright and gives us all our light. Now, what rhyming words did you hear? Whisper them. That's right. Round and mound both end in the same sound and make them rhyme. Did you hear any others? Me too. Light and bright. They both end in the ite sound, making them rhyming words. I hope you have so much fun blasting off into reading.
Wow, I can't believe this is our last time together this summer. It has really flown by. But before we part ways, there's one more skill I want to go over with you. And that's going to be talking about the position of shapes and objects. So, I want you to take a look at my picture right here. What do you notice about the astronaut? Is the astronaut on the moon, under the moon, or beside the moon? Yes, the astronaut is on the moon. Now, if the astronaut had been under the moon, it should have looked like this. And if the astronaut was beside the moon, it would have needed to look like this. Or even this. Great work. I sure hope you have a blast of a year learning in math.
Shoot for the stars as you launch into kindergarten.